Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Online Watch. So let us discuss about the human digestive system. In previous video we have discussed about the structure of tooth, single tooth, and the functions of teeth, and the structure of tongue and functions of tongue also. Now today we are going to discuss about the pharynx, which is the common passage for food and air. So before going to our digestive system, we need to know some of the organs which are involved in our digestion. So now let us discuss what is pharynx. Here pharynx is the common passage for food and the air which we breathe. So in the respiration and for the ingestion of the food, the pharynx is the common passage. This is the pharynx, and here it is divided into Nasopharynx, Oropharynx and Laryngopharynx. Let us see where are they located. Nasopharynx. Here the term naso means regarding the nose, the nasopharynx is used. The term naso is used here. Above the soft palate, there are two palates in our mouth. Hard palate and soft palate. Hard palate is located in this teeth, upper jaw of the teeth origin here. This is the hard palate, and here coming to the uvula, the upper portion of the tongue which is hanging down in the oral cavity. After that, that is called as soft palate. So here this is called nasopharynx, which is above the soft palate. So let us discuss about the oropharynx. Here this is the middle part of the pharynx which holds the food. Here when we eat after mastication, and the tongue is helpful for the food mixture and the salivary amylase which is present in the saliva. After that it holds for some time in the oropharynx. Then coming to the laryngopharynx, it is also called as hypopharynx because the lower part of anything in our zoological terms, hypo is used as the lower part, hyper is used for the higher part. So laryngopharynx is also called as hypopharynx. So now the passage where after mastication of food, the bolus or the chyme which is travel from here to here. See, let us see from trachea. This is the trachea. So after that, go to larynx. Go to larynx. Larynx means the voice box which we talk, the voice vocal cords. These are called the voice box. So trachea, then larynx, then go through the glottis. It is reached to the laryngopharynx, which is the hypopharynx. It's also called as. Next, epiglottis. It's a thin flap-like structure which prevents the food. When we eat food, we have two systems here: respiratory system and digestive system. So it should not enter into the other system, so that it can't collapse. If the food is entered into our lungs, we will suffocate and we will die surely. So to prevent that, epiglottis is the thin flap-like structure which prevents the food. When the food is entered here, so this is the trachea, which is the passage of the respiration. It holds the food. It closes the trachea and then passes into the esophagus. The food is passed to the esophagus. The long tube-like structure is called the esophagus. So here epiglottis prevents the entry of food and water into the trachea. Then there are tonsils. Tonsils means here there's a lymph nodes which hosts the useful microorganisms which involves in the enzymatic actions. So here there are three types of pharyngeal tonsils. See, pharyngeal tonsils. It's also called as adenoids. So a pair of palatine tonsils. So here in the pharynx only, tonsils are the tissues which helps in the mixing of the enzymes in the food bolus. After mastication of the food is into the round bolus shape. So then the enzymatic actions occurs through these tonsils. So these will host the back of the mouth, throat, filter the bacteria and other germs to prevent infection in the body. So these are very helpful tonsils. Here, a pair of lingual tonsils. Palatine tonsils are present at the palatine. We have already discussed hard palate and soft palate. Here, at this pharynx, the tonsils which are present, a pair. Two of the palatine tonsils are present and the pair of two lingual. Lingua means tongue. So below the tongue, so here, this pharynx, there are a pair of lingual tonsils. These all tonsils help to filter the bacteria which came along with the food we masticate. So here, at last, the middle ear cavities will pass through a tubes called eustachian tubes through nasopharynx. See here, this is the ear. So here, middle ear cavities pass through the nasopharynx. See here, these cavities will pass through here through the eustachian tubes. So this is about pharynx. In next classes, we'll discuss about what is esophagus, what is the structure, and what are the sphincters involved in it. Thank you.